So this is a 1944 KCLC. It's been in our family since 1944. Great grandpa bought it new. He was going to buy a Ford, but couldn't get one in stock, and this is what the dealer had in stock. It pulled a three bottom plow. One fun fact about this one is my grandpa Kenneth Stoll helped rebuild the motor and stuff when he was 16. Then pretty much got stored away for 30 years in a barn, and about 10 years ago from this 2021 we got it back out, and I'm the fourth generation, and Tyler Stoll, I got to help rebuild and repaint it. We all did it together when I was 16, so this tractor's been in the family for quite some time, and hopefully I named my son Kenneth Stoll after my grandpa, so hopefully he'll have it after us.